Alrighty, so I got my water on the boil. Can you guess what I'm going to have for breakfast? Hawk Vittles. Hash brown, sausage, and eggs. I just placed an order for 5 more of these. That's because I just absolutely love them. So, pretty much my favorite go-to breakfast. Having a cup of this Maxwell House Mocha, which I just shot a separate video on. That's how you get the day started. Oh yeah. You know, I gotta say, it's kind of a goofy little find, but this Winco trash can actually worked really well for just storing your stuff in. I got my flashlight, and it just folds down flat. Okay. Folds down flat like this. Just keep your stuff in. Pretty handy. I like to cook mine just a little bit, give it a kind of a head start. I usually bring it back to a boil and then let it sit for about a minute on the heat, and then I'll pull it off and let it rehydrate. Tip over. There we go. I'll throw a little bit more wood on. Not that I really need it, but I do enjoy a campfire, so. I think it's been enough time. I think I can dig into my Hawk Vittles. Oh yeah. Man, I don't know what it is about this stuff. I just love it. Could eat it every day, every morning. Well, camping every morning. Although I did make this at home one time. I was just like, I have nothing to eat. I know, I'll make some Hawk Vittles. It doesn't really need anything else to go with it either. Man, it's so good. I should come out sometime and do like a over the fire scratch version of this. That'd be fun. Mm.